Hey, I'm Mr. Roblox. This is 359. We're at Foam Wash. We're gonna get the top wash, Dad, right? Okay, we got the wash right there. We got right there. We're gonna get the top wash for $25. Hit enter. Yep. Your washes. Here's your rubber wash. Here's the wash. We're gonna get the $25 wash. Right, so there it is. Yep. Let's go. There we go.
Neutral, no break.
Yep.
How you doing, Mace?
Good. Oh.
I'm a subscriber.
Welcome back. I'm here. Have a great day. $25.
One. Yeah.
You want to do the new ceramic? Have you tried that yet?
Yes.
Awesome.
Just don't curse during the video, okay? Got it? So,
Neutral, no breaks. Thank you so much. You have a good
Thank you.
one.
Thank you.
oh, we got the $25 wash. That was quick. Let's see if this worked. Already? Ready? Ooh. Oh, here comes hot free soak. Oh, ready? Here comes some free soak. And here comes the top brush. Here comes underbody. Here comes underbody wash right there. In there. Here comes another top brush. Here comes more brushes. Here comes more soap. Here comes another brush. Here comes brushes, and here comes the Hot Wax Shine right there. You guys can see. And here comes the better curtain right there. Right there, Hot Wax. And we got some. Here comes the rinse, and here comes Rain-X. And here comes ceramic right there. Here comes our rinse, and here comes the dryers. Shine right there. Wow, it's doing amazing. Dry and shine, and here comes the top brush. It's doing a great job so far, and wait, go, and that's the wash. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Thanks for watching. Bye.